In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a centered navigation bar in Webflow. We'll go from a blank canvas to a clean centered nav you can reuse across your site. First, open your project in the Webflow designer. If you're starting from an existing layout, choose the page and section where you want the navigation to live, typically at the top of the page in a dedicated header section. Having that target area in mind will make placement faster and keep your structure organized. Next, open the Add panel. You can click the plus icon in the left toolbar or press A on your keyboard. This panel contains all of Webflow's building blocks, from basic elements to full components. Because we want something pre-built and responsive, we'll use the navbar component. Use the search field in the Add panel and type nav. That filters the list so you can quickly find navbar. The component includes a brand link, a menu wrapper, and a built-in menu button for smaller screens, which saves time and ensures accessible, mobile-ready behavior out of the box. Now drag the navbar onto your canvas and drop it inside your header or at the top of the page. With the element selected, open the Style panel to center the content. Set the container or the nav menu to display. Flex, then choose Justify. Center and align. Center if needed. If the brand link is pushing items off-center, you can either place it above the menu inside a wrapper or adjust the layout so the brand, links, and any call to action balance around the center. Give the navbar a class name so you can reuse these styles site-wide. Add padding to the top and bottom for breathing room, and set a max width on the inner container to keep everything looking tidy on large screens. Customize colors, fonts, and link spacing to match your brand, and switch the current state of a link to style its active appearance. Finally, preview in responsive modes. In tablet and mobile views, the component automatically collapses into a menu button. Tweak the menu's open state to center items vertically and adjust tap targets, background, and shadows so the menu feels polished. When everything looks good, you're done. Your centered navigation bar is ready to use across your pages. Thanks for following along. With just a few clicks and smart styling, you've created a centered, flexible, and responsive navigation bar in Webflow.